Start.
We are Team Diamond. He is Nitin Mukherjee. I am Shamini Joshi. He is Urmuz Das and he is Kritika Mona. Our model is electrolysis. We know water. Water is made up of hydrogen and oxygen. H2. We are splitting this water into separate gases, hydrogen and oxygen. We know hydrogen and oxygen is present in water in 2:1 ratio. So you can come closer and see here the bubbles are coming up. These are the two electrodes. These are the two electrodes, the passing medium of electricity in this acidified water. So this is cathode and this is anode. You can see the evolution of hydrogen here. The hydrogen is more than that of oxygen. So for this whole setup, better understanding, we have made this placard. You can see here, these are the two electrodes as you have seen here. And this is hydrogen and this is oxygen. Hydrogen is more than that of oxygen. These are the battery. These are the connecting all the, we are supplying the electricity through this electrodes. So the formula, hydrogen is twice more than that of oxygen. So this is the
Start.
Good morning, sir. Here we have made a 3D model of this. The dirty and the used water of this and transferred to the roof of this, and then it is going to the filtration process. And it is going to see here, it is going to the big stone and then small stone, which removes the dirt particles partially but not full. And then the sand it removes, it acts like a sieve, and the tiny part gaps between the sand grains acts like a sieve that will remove the mud, clay, and the other insoluble particles. Water. And then it removes tiny particles which removes dirt, dust, and microscopic particles. And then the cotton layer. And then the last layer which acts like a sand sieve that bends, dust, and particles. And then we are getting the pure water, and then it is and the plants will bloom and
Start.
So it is indicator 1 is in 2 cups we have added the turmeric powder which we use for cooking. In 1 cup we have added the lemon juice and the color will remain the same, and in 1 cup we have added the detergent but the color has changed and became red.
Start.
Good morning, my name is Ankit Tiwari. I am from class 12. Today our topic is commercial banks. As you can see, commercial banks, the main function of commercial bank is to create credit. And credit creation is the core process. Other functions include advancing loans to the public, accepting deposits from the public, and various other agency functions. So the main function which we are discussing here is the credit creation process. How credit is being created by commercial banks. Minimum CRR is 20%. CRR is cash reserve ratio, a particular percentage of total deposit that a commercial bank has to keep with the central bank. We have assumed CRR to be 20%. So if suppose a consumer deposits ₹1,000 in a commercial bank A, so out of that 1,000 rupees, 200, that is 20% of 1,000, 200 rupees will be kept by the bank A as a reserve with the RBI. Now this remaining 800 can be used by that bank for giving loan to some other person, which comes request from the bank to give the loan. Out of 800, the bank gives loan to the person, and this 800 rupees is taken by the person and deposited either in the same bank or in a different bank. and then whichever bank deposits that money, out of 800, again 20% of 800, 160 rupees is kept as a reserve, and now 640 is the loanable amount by that bank to another individual who requests for that. So this process it continues, and if we add up all the amount from the primary deposit, that is rupees 1000, if we add up all the amount which is being created and generated, then we get a GP series of mathematics, and using the formula we get the formula for the credit creation process. Primary deposit by CRR, that is 1000 was our primary deposit and CRR 20%. So 1000 by 1 by 5, we get 5000 to be the credit creation. So 5,000, the 1,000 rupees which is deposited by me or someone gets converted into rupees 5,000 in this way in the economy. This is how the process works, and 1 by CRR is the credit multiplier, and the formula for credit creation is primary deposit by CRR. Thank you very much.
Start.
I am Antuja Bandopadhyay from class 12. I am Priyashi Pal from class 12. So we have made this from rainwater harvesting. So as we know that nowadays rapid urbanization and rapid population growth, the water level is decreasing day by day. And moreover, due to the middle road, there is no water percolation. So the groundwater recharge is getting lower. So we can use this model, this rainwater harvesting, to recharge the groundwater. So when the rain comes, we can store it in a storage tank or something. Then we can filter it and use it in the main tank for purpose. And in this main tank water overflows, then we can store it in the well for our water. So this with time this will increase the recharge of groundwater and also can make up the loss of water that we are facing rapidly nowadays.
Start.
Good morning. This is Nancy Madhavika
And I am Sumedha Singh from St. Luke's Day School.
We are from class 9 and this is our project, the Wiggle Ball.
This is a wiggle board which rotates around on the paper to produce some patterns. Attached to it is a motor which produces a rotating effect due to the wheels rotates, and the marker attached to it draws some patterns which is playful for children.
This robot resembles our childhood idea about making colorful patterns on a surface where we find it difficult. Childhood dreams, playful ideas. This robot is nothing but just a childhood resemblance of making colorful patterns. This robot has no use in our daily life, but this robot is just for improving our AI and computer intelligence and the mechanism it has.
This depicts AI into a child's toy.